How you doing? My name is Brian Martin, owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. Today, I wanted to talk about why contractors are late and what have we done to solve it. And to help me stay organized, I wrote it down. And speaking of organized, that's the first thing on the list that we see why contractors are always late. They are not organized. The second thing is they're stuck on a job site working. What does that mean? They're the ones that are selling the job, they're the one running the job, and they're the ones doing the job. So they got a brush in their hand, a chop saw they're working out of. So those are some of the reasons that they're always late. The third is bad communication. So that's why they're late. They haven't been able to call you, and you don't know what's going on and why they're not there at your house. So those are the three reasons we find contractors are late. What have we done to solve them? The first one, as far as helping solve the organization, is we implemented in software. So what does that allow us to do? That allows us to track you as soon as you enter our system from that initial call, that initial email, and then it takes you to our sales, then our scheduling, then our production, and then post-production. So that is how we stay organized, is with implementing our software. The second part is being on our job sites. So with us, we've invested into our employees. So we have an office manager, a production manager, a sales manager that have individual responsibilities. So you won't get that, hey, I'm stuck on a job site anymore. The third thing, how do we help with communication? We implemented processes to allow us to make sure we are emailing you, calling you, and giving you continual updates of where we are, what the status of the project are, and when we're going to be there so we aren't late for our appointments or scheduled projects. If you have any questions about anything I said today, please give us a call or send us an email at admin@paintingandhomeimprovements.com.